Where? I didn't see it. Sorry. Noble, I'm guessing.
Sounds
Oh,
like,
an Excelsior.
sounds like it has a count. Was that already lit?
Yeah. LCD elevators got this one. Dink. Desk right in the face. I don't think I'm gonna do the other one. This one's not worth doing both.
Okay.
Sorry. Indicator. JetPlus buttons.
They seem newer.
This seems newer. I wouldn't blame it if it was newer.
Because also the phone button.
Think. There you go.
Okay.
Well, where's the dumbwaiter you just mentioned?
Um,
Oh yeah. Yeah, 1401 Franklin. All right, that's it.